This video introduces the tool and software information for RA Family. Renesas offers a complete line of various boards and kits, high-quality software, and easy-to-use development tools to form a development environment which support all development stages of RA applications. A wide range of easy-to-use evaluation boards and kits are available for the RA family. General-purpose kits provide differentiated functionality and remarkable ease of use, while application-specific kits are used for specific end applications. Integrated development environment enables seamless development including coding, building and debugging on a single GUI. Renesas provides eSquare Studio free of charge. The eSquare Studio is an Eclipse-based integrated development environment for the Renesas RA family and can be used in all aspects of development. In addition to an easy-to-use Eclipse code editor, the eSquare Studio has various extended functions for more efficient development, such as code generation assistance tool and QE tools for assisting in application development. RA family supports partner compilers, such as GCC, ARM, and IAR compilers. The Renesas Flexible Software Package is an enhanced software package designed to provide easy-to-use, scalable, high-quality software for embedded system designs using Renesas RA family microcontrollers. With the support of ARM TrustZone, FSP provides a quick and versatile way to build IoT devices using production-ready drivers, Azure RTOS, FreeRTOS, and other middleware stacks. For more information, visit Flexible Software Package, FSP, for Renesas RA MCU family on GitHub. There are 3 emulator models that support real-time debugging on RA MCU. Each of them can be used as Flash programmers. The E2 Emulator Lite is an entry model suitable for new starters. The E2 emulator has high functionality for more efficient development, and Segur J-Link is widely supported by many IDEs. Renesas enables Flash programming, with both the PGFP6 standalone Flash programmer, and the Renesas Flash Programmer Programming GUI. The PGFP6 supports standalone programming which can be operated without using PC, allowing high-speed programming. Programming is done by pressing the button on the control panel. In the PC-controlled programming configuration, the flash memory can be programmed by the FP6 terminal GUI. The Renesas Flash Programmer enables you to program via E2 Emulator, E2 Emulator Lite, Segur J-Link debug probes, a serial or USB connection. In the RA Family Software and Tool course site, user can learn the features of solution, software, and tools for the Renesas RA family. For more information about tool and software for the RA family, please visit the Renesas website.